Welcome to the set of training videos provided by the Bulgarian partner Architectural Spice. You're watching the fifth video tutorial from the XRT set.
Hi guys, this is Chris from Architectural Spice, and today I'm going to introduce you step by step to the development of an augmented reality mobile application. We start by downloading the Vuforia SDK from their official website, and in order to do that we need to have an account in their website. The next thing to download is their model target generator. I actually have it and I don't have to download it right now. If you want to run the application properly, you have to have a license developed through their license manager. Then we need to copy the ID from the license and paste it into our AR camera. Once everything is set up, we need to create a new Unity project. It should be above 2020 version in order to run the SDK from Vuforia. Once the project has been loaded, we need to import the SDK from Vuforia, and then we need to delete the main camera and replace it as AR camera, and add the ID license key from the Vuforia license manager. Then we need to add a model target in our scene. Bufora helps us to recognize models, and in order to do that we need to import an object that can be the actual visualization of the recognition. It could be a 3D cube, a sphere, or in our case it's a 3D model from a real building in Varna. The most important part is the model target generator. It creates a database that can be converted into Unity package and imported to recognize the actual model. To create a new model target, you have to add a CAD model. It, in our case, is a FBX file, and you have also limits 20 targets per account. So I'm not going to generate the model, but I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Once you generate the model target from the model target generator, you have to find the Vuforia's model targets folder, and there is the actual database with .unity package file, and you have to import it in Unity. Once it has been imported, you have to change the database to the actual database that you've just created. And in order to recognize the positioning correctly, you have to position the model on top of the other model, and also change some settings to the model target. Building the application is an easy process, and you can export it through either Android and iOS. In this case I will do it in Android, and if you want to build on iOS you have to go through Xcode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you soon.